constant song, it knows the same. In every wave, in every flow, awakes anew the ocean's vow. No fleeting mask, no bored guise, but clear as though my spirit lies. So to mirror what I know, I am myself, the ocean's vow. The rivers rise in hush and swell, the truth within abides me well. No end of time, no fate of love, but endless of now, the ocean's vow. Return, return, a voice of me, as boundless calm as even sea. In every breath, in every sound, a sound completes the ocean's vow. Return, return, a voice of me, as boundless calm as even sea. In every breath, in every sound, a sound completes the ocean's vow. No fleeting mask, no bored guise, but clear as though my spirit lies. So others mirror what I know, I am myself, the ocean's vow. Return, return, a voice of me, as boundless calm as even sea. In every breath, in every sound, as time completes the ocean's vow. Return, return, a voice of me, as boundless calm as even sea. In every breath, in every sound, as time completes the ocean's vow. Return, return, a voice of me, as boundless calm as even sea. In every breath, in every sound, as time completes the ocean's vow.